Alright, welcome back to the Instant channel. Immediately after the last episode, kind of, ish, I suppose. Excuse me. And, let's get on with the video. Have I read any of the other ones? I forgot. Nope. Damn it. Which was number 1, which was number 2? So there's number 1. I'll do it later. Anyway, don't. No. I kinda got Skype up, not on my laptop, on the thingy. Oh no, not this thing. No. Perfect. There is actually a skill point for actually changing one of them into a duck, so I'll be doing that when I'm doing the backtracking stuff. Anyway, no, wait. Perfect. Anyway, I should just kind of look at this game, because this is what I should have my attention put up to. But then if I kind of lose my attention on Skype, then messages will be bombarded at me. Perfect, I've got you all. And I got you as well. Kind of a pain that these small ones don't give you any bolts. They do in Ratchet Clank 3, but not in Ratchet Clank 1. Can't remember if they do in Ratchet Clank 2 though. Do they even appear in Ratchet Clank 2? Yeah, I'm sure they appear in Ratchet Clank 2. Also, I actually found something which I've never seen before on Ratchet Clank 3. Now the final cutscene, a lot of the Ratchet Clank 1 and Ratchet Clank 2 characters come back just to watch the Secret Agent Clank thingy at the end of the game. I will be showing that when I'm doing the Ratchet Clank 3 playthrough, which is actually really cool because they've actually brought them back. It's really cool they've actually decided to bring them back just to watch that small thingy. Like the characters that talk, not like random characters like those things that blast oxygen at you, or non-oxygen, or whatever that is. It's probably dihydrogen monoxide. It's, you know, it's the same, really. Perfect. And 25 blaster ammo. Oh my gosh, there's so many games I've been planning to play for you on YouTube. So many things. Need for Speed is one of them. The problem is there's a lot of copyrighted music on the games, on the Need for Speed stuff, so I'll kind of have to get rid of the copyrighted stuff somehow. Yeah, there's a way of doing it. I suppose I could just mute the songs. But I have to make sure I don't actually upload anything copyrighted. I know there's nothing copyrighted in Ratchet Clank, except for maybe on Tools of Destruction on the ending credits. But I'm not 100% sure on that, so I'll have to look into it. But I know I can make videos on this stuff, so on Ratchet Clank, so I'm pretty sure that the ending credits shouldn't be too much of a problem for me. So let's see. Get you. Ow. Could have used that health to do something better, but there you go. I will not get you yet, I will go get you in a minute.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
I sometimes fear that I'm actually going to accidentally buy a weapon I don't need, so... It'd be a pain if I do that. I need to get all the weapons anyway to do this 100%, so... I will be doing 100% gameplay, by the way. Don't you guys worry about that, I will be doing 100%. I don't know if it's just the recorders do that, actually. Nah, it's on the... just the game, I don't know what's the problem with that. Now, there is a cutscene here, so I'm going to get rid of the face cam and mute myself once I get close enough to the guy to get the cutscene up. Which I believe is now.
Rhino for your robot. Trade you.
Well, okay.
Ratchet.
I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale. What's a rhino anyway?
Rip ya a new one.
What did you just say to me?
R-Y-N-O. Rip ya a new one.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's worth a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the Blarg.
Stolen. Look, trash can. Did I say anything about it being hot? You better watch your mouth or I'll...
Wait, don't tell me. Rip you a new one.
Right, rip yeah, a new one. Oh gosh, 150,000 bolts for the Rhino, that's just insane. I should keep that on. The Skype, actually I'll keep it off. Distractions of Skype, you guys, just keep away from it. Resist the temptation. Oh, I know how to kill that guy with only the wrench. Wait, I have an idea. I'm gonna try this. I really want to try this. No, that's not gonna work. You have to get up on that platform. No! Ah! Get up on it! Get on it, get on it. There we go. Perfect. No! Ooh. I know how to get that guy out with all the wrench. I think. I hope this works. Please work, please work, please work, please work, please work. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No! That didn't work as I planned it to. You only use one bomb glove, really? Wow. I actually need the health over there, so I'm gonna get that health. Perfect.
Press the select button or click the right analog joystick to bring up the map. This may help you locate where you are.
You tell me that now? I have gone through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 planets, and you tell me that now that I can use select to bring up a map. You should have told me that at the beginning of the game. Ugh. Seriously. Stupid fly, get off. Get off my screen. Oh, that's not the mark. Right, it's gone. I hope it has. There we go, it's gone. Right. You should never like destroy bugs on your screen, by the way. Just never on your screen. If they're not on your screen, fair enough, but just don't destroy them if they're on your screen. This is a good way of using your Glove of Doom, by the way. Just kind of chuck a whole bunch of them down there, and they'll just kill. Any more? that's the only one left. Perfect. And then collect the loot. Not many bolts because the small ones don't carry bolts for some stupid reason. But there we go. Get the bolts over here as well. Perfect. And now I'll just check out a bunch more. Huh. Oh god, I wasn't expecting that. I thought it would go the other way because that's kind of what it would do. Here's where it does that, isn't it? I hope. Please go around them. You're dead to me. Go away! Don't eat me. I'm not eating potential, I'm not food. Right, the gold bolt is over here, so I have to kind of go and get it. Once I've been every other way. Taste the wrath. Taste the wrath of my bomb glove. Taste the wrath of my bomb glove. Arr. That's the that's one of the exterminators in Ratchet Gladiator. Taste the wrath of my. Taste the wrath. Don't know why I'm talking like that, to be honest, but there we go. Taste the wrath of my bomb glove. No, you cannot kill me. You cannot kill me. Ah. Why have you broken this bottom? Haha. Why have you broken the button? Button. On here. And across here. There's bolts there which I will get later. And bolt.
Yay, gold bolt.
Right. Talking on Skype, people. You should never do that when you're recording, but there we go. It's what makes things fun. Don't end with one. Is there any of the bolts there? No. Bums. Have enough bolts not to end with one, thank you. Perfect. I need to die as well. Just die. Please. How small is this? Yeah, sure, I'll try and just gush water over this to kind of make it blow up, eh? Perfect. Anyway, fake cam off and microphone off, so...
Welcome to the HoverCon Intergalactic Hoverboard Competition. Captain Quark's giving away a brand new Platinum Zoomerator to the winner of this competition.
A platinum zoomerator. Perhaps that will be the proof of your accomplishments that Skidd's agent requires.
Wait, do you guys mean Skidd McMarks?
Yeah, Skidd couldn't make it, so we're here to, you know, fill in for him.
Guess we'll see about that.
Guess we'll see about that indeed. Let's see, yep, the face cam goes back. Hooray, it's kind of slow, which is annoying, but there we go. Enter the race. Let's see if we can do this third time. Let's see if we can do it the second time. I'm a pro hoverboarder, by the way. Not in real life, obviously. Oh, so close at that one. You get quite a lot of bolts from just playing hoverboarding, so... Cut the corners as much as you possibly can as well, and make sure you get it to the finish line, and you can probably also get a skill point from this. Pretty cool skill point. I think it's 1 minute 35 which you need to beat, or is it 1 minute 36? I can't remember. I know it's definitely 1 second longer in one place. I think it's Europe that it's 136 and in America it's 135. I'm not 100% sure, but I can't remember. But I know there's a skill point, so aim for the 135 anyway, because... And that was so close!
Hi folks, Captain Quark here. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce this year's HoverCon Intergalactic Champions. Let's give it up for newcomers,
Ratchet and Clank.
Hey, look, that's us.
Today's winners will take home a brand new professional-grade Model T15 Platinum Zoomerator. Manufactured by Gadgetron, this hoverboard drive delivers more lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market. Well, folks, that's all the time we have. Tonight, remember to set your infobots to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon, starring yours truly. Thank you and have a Quark-tastic day.
Thank you and have a Quark-tastic day. Let's have a Quark-tastic day. I probably can't even do that voice properly, but there we go. We've tried. I think the voice actor of her is Melissa Disney, who's the same person as the voice actor of Courtney Keys in Ratchet Clank 3. I cannot remember exactly, but I know that Melissa Disney is in this game, and I saw that at the end of the other series of Ratchet Clank 1, which I tried recording before. And I pointed out that Melissa Disney is in this game. I cannot remember who she's voice acts though. So yeah. And we finished Rilgar! Yay, so let's go back to Aridia. Because we need to give Skidd's agent something. And after we've done that, what I'll do is I'll end the episode, which is awesome. Also, I'm really glad that the face cams are actually working, which is pretty cool. I wasn't expecting them to because there's so many GUIs in Ratchet Clank. However, it's proven very well so far. Face cam off, microphone off, and I'll see you after the cutscene.
Fantastic! You got it! Great work, kid.
So, are you gonna represent me?
You bet, kid. And as a signing bonus, I've got this.
Cool helmet.
That is a sonic summoner. It is used to attract sand mice.
Right, and it's all yours. Well, I'm off to finalize the paperwork. I'll have my people call your people.
Do you have people?
The sonic summoner allows you to interact with the mysterious and intelligent sand mice species. Despite their innocent appearance, sand mice are very effective and aggressive hunters. Simply equip the sonic summoner when you are near a sand mouse house, and a mouse will emerge to greet you. If the mouse likes you, it may offer a bit of high-caliber tactical assistance.
Not typically something which I'd want to use, but we've got it, so yay, we've got a helmet. This guy in a Skype group which I made once was hoping that I was a sheep. But what I'll do is in a vlog or something, I will probably just wear a sheep, I don't know, something to do with sheep. Because this guy actually wanted me to be a sheep for some reason. But there you go, because I'm Welsh, you see. Welsh people. Apparently everyone likes sheep. I like sheep, but not everyone does, I don't think. But there we go. Sheep are very interesting animals somehow. Stupid, but interesting. Right, I can't get that gold bolt, and I've got every other gold bolt except for some of them, which need specific stuff. Why was I talking like stuff? Stuff. Anyway, I know where the 2 of the gold bolts here are, so that's awesome. So let's go. There's a cutscene at the very beginning of the level. Actually, spat on my keyboard for some reason. But there's a cutscene at the very beginning of the level, so I will mute myself now and get rid of the face cam.
Welcome to my challenge course. Now is your chance to prove yourself strong and brave, like me. Conquer it, and you'll join in my fight against evil.
Haven't we done enough already?
What? I can't hear you.
I said, haven't we done?
Sorry, still having trouble. Tell me later.
Later? We might be dead by then.
What?
All right, Clank, let's get going.
Quark is deaf. Anyway, he was using a taunter as well, which is quite funny. Oh, damn it, forgot to put the face cam back on. There we go. Yay, we're back. I forgot to put the face cam on, sorry people. Oh dear, forgot. Ending the episode here, actually. Oops. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this episode of Ratchet Clank. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. The face cam went a little bit brighter for some reason. Also, don't forget to like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter and on Twitch. Google Chrome has also had an update, so the logo's changed. And I'll see you all in the next video. But until then, goodbye.